Hello, my digital planner friends. Today we're going to go over the fall sticker collection. I'm so excited about this collection. We have 5 new sticker sets coming out, and I just want to go over them today, show you give you an overview of each of the sticker sets so you can get a really good look at them. And that's what we're going to do today. So if you are new to the channel, my name is Brandi Reed with 3 Nail Faith, where I create digital planners and stickers for Christian women. If this is something that you would like to continue seeing, I give sticker tips, digital planner tips, anything along those lines. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and stick around and see what we have to show you today. Okay, so let's get into this fall sticker launch. I'm really excited about this one. We've got 5 new sticker kits, and I've changed up my sticker kit a little bit, so you get some extra stickers in this set. And let's get into it. This one is the birthday set. So we have a cute little scene right there. There's boys and then a girl, and it fits together. And then like all of my sticker kits, they will have verses. So there's 4 verses. This time I added a blank one of what was on the back, so you could use that as a blank. And then we've got the date covers. There's another verse, another verse, another verse. Then in this kit, we are now adding a prayer list, a to-do list, and then these are all the same as previous kits. And then we've got a second page where we have some of these little markers, different things that you may need. Here is your hex codes. Again, these are where you can just copy, and then you can add them in by going to custom, paste, and then you'll hit that add button, and there is your new color code if you want to be able to use your colors for writing with pens. So that's how those work. Then you have these little things where you can use this over here and just kind of cover it over. And then, so it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Or if if you prefer Monday or Saturday, or Sunday, sorry, start. And then you have all these little dots, your emotions, so you can track your emotions, a couple of little design things you can add in, and day off, payday. And then if you want to since you purchased something from 3 Nail Faith, you are a member, can add to the customer hub, or if you want to shop now. So all of my sticker kits have this where you can easily access both of those right from the Good Notes file. You will also receive the Elements collection of this kit as well. So there's the birthday Elements collection. All 5 of these you will receive the Elements collection, the Good Notes file, the JPEG of each of these 2, and then individual PNGs that you will. So it's all in a file that you can download whichever of those sets that you would like per set. So this is the birthday set. Then we have the Grandparents Day kit. I just love this one. I think it's so cute. We're going to use this for our September month too. I'm really excited to do the plan with me for that. Happy Grandparents Day. Again, a verse. The duplicate, back box, 2 more verses. There's another verse, your prayer list, your to-dos, your washies, your flags, your check boxes, and then also your date covers. And then on the second one, look at that sweet little family. And I thought that was so sweet to put them together. Then you also have that where you can put that over Grandparents Day. Then again, all of these are all the same on every single set. This back page will be the same except for this section right here. We'll have a couple extra little goodies for you. But all these, and then they just all match into the color scheme. Again, these will work as the copy and paste to add your for your pens and whatnot. So that's the Grandparents' Day kit. Then we have Fall with Pumpkins. Sorry, I missed that first page. Got those two. You got your verses, your back colors, prayer list to do. The theme always stays the same. Your verses are going to change. Your graphic colors, things are going to change with each set. So that's our sticker color theme. Again, all these are all the same. And then you've got pumpkin spice and everything nice. I love pumpkins. Pumpkin spice is my favorite this time of year. So that's why I had to make some stickers to go with it. So that's that kit. Again, you've got your third. We're going to jump over here to this fall kit. We did scarecrows, pumpkins. Super, super cute. Your verses, your back things, whoops. And your washi. Then the next one, here's your three. Yeah, it has 3 extra little stickers plus your normal that goes with the kit. And then we have Thanksgiving. That's your first 2, your verses. I think this one's so cute. That's too adorable. That washi's really cute too, in my opinion. And then we've got, these are our 3 extra little guys. It's cute, the little planner. And so that is the new kit the new fall collection. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them below. I will leave all the links. Not only do I have each of these 5, but then I have one listing that has all 5 together, and it makes it a little cheaper. Or you can buy the 2022 sticker bundle, where you can get everything that is created in 2022 for a cheaper price, I should say. And that has been running on sale for right now, so you may want to grab that. I will link that in the description as well, where you can get everything created in 2022 for an amazing price. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them below. And if you liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss a single video I put out. Thank you so much, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.